Did you know that 52% of men experience some form of erectile dysfunction in their lifetime? Yes, you heard it right. More than half of the male population grapples with this issue at some point. It's an unsettling reality that many men face as they age, often leading to a depreciation of their libidos. But what if there was a scientifically backed way to combat this? To improve performance and reignite that spark? This is where male enhancement products come into play. So how do male enhancement products work? Well, it all starts with understanding the role of the endothelium. The endothelium is a thin layer of cells that lines the interior surface of blood vessels, including those in the penis. It plays a crucial role in vascular health by regulating blood flow. When the endothelium is healthy, it can efficiently facilitate the dilation and constriction of blood vessels, which is essential for erectile function. Male enhancement products are designed to improve the health and function of the endothelium. They do this by providing the body with certain nutrients and compounds that are known to support endothelial health. These include things like antioxidants, which combat harmful free radicals in the body, and amino acids like L-arginine, which is converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a key role in endothelial function. Recent research from top Ivy League schools supports these claims. Studies have shown that maintaining a healthy endothelium can indeed improve erectile function. For instance, a study from Harvard found that men who consumed foods rich in certain nutrients and compounds had better endothelial health and consequently better erectile function. But it's not just about the endothelium. Male enhancement products also aim to improve overall men's health. They often contain ingredients that support testosterone production, a hormone that plays a vital role in male sexual health. Moreover, these products may also include ingredients that promote stress management and mood improvement, as psychological factors can greatly influence sexual performance. So while the science is complex, the concept is simple. Male enhancement products work by providing the body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. They target the endothelium to promote better blood flow, but they also support overall health to ensure the best possible sexual performance. Now, it's important to note that while these products can be incredibly beneficial, they're not a magic bullet. They work best when used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. In essence, these products work by promoting the health and function of your endothelium. Now that we understand how these products work, what are their benefits? Let's dive into the numerous advantages that male enhancement products can bring to the table. First off, they have the potential to improve sexual performance. As men age, it's quite common to experience a decline in libido and sexual performance. This can be a natural part of aging, but it doesn't mean we have to accept it lying down. Male enhancement products can help to reverse this trend, improving sexual stamina, enhancing arousal, and even potentially increasing the size and strength of erections. This can lead to more satisfying sexual experiences and a rekindled passion in the bedroom. But the benefits don't stop there. An often overlooked advantage of these products is the boost in confidence they can provide. While it's not something we often discuss, many men struggle with self-esteem issues related to their sexual performance. By improving this aspect of their lives, men can experience a great lift in their overall confidence. This can have a positive impact in many areas of life, from personal relationships to professional performance. Finally, male enhancement products can promote overall sexual health. These products aren't just about improving performance in the bedroom, they're about promoting a healthy and vibrant sex life. They can help to maintain a healthy prostate, improve blood flow to the genital area, and even boost testosterone levels. In short, they're about much more than just performance, they're about overall health and well-being. Of course, it's important to remember that not all products are created equal. It's crucial to do your research and choose a product that's backed by solid scientific research and has a proven track record of success. Look for products that use natural ingredients and have been tested for safety and efficacy. It's also worth noting that while these products can offer many benefits, they're not a magic bullet. They should be used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and plenty of sleep. These products offer a range of benefits that extend beyond the bedroom. Are you intrigued by the potential of male enhancement products? Well, you're not alone. Many are curious about the possibilities these supplements hold, and with good reason. The latest research from top Ivy League schools suggests that improving the endothelium can significantly enhance male performance, a welcome revelation for those grappling with the decline of libido that often accompanies age. It's important, however, to approach this topic with a discerning eye. As with any health-related decision, it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge. Do your due diligence, delve into the research, understand the science behind these products. This is not just about enhancing your sexual performance, it's about improving your overall health, your confidence, your relationships, and ultimately, your quality of life. Before embarking on this journey, remember to consult your healthcare provider. They can guide you through the process, helping you make informed decisions that align with your health history and current needs. They can help you navigate the sea of products out there, steering you towards those that are reliable and scientifically backed. Embrace the opportunity to take control of your sexual health. It's an intimate part of your well-being that deserves attention and care. With the right information and guidance, male enhancement products could open up a world of possibilities for you. Remember, your health and satisfaction are worth exploring. Consider male enhancement products as a potential solution for your sexual health concerns. Click the link in the description to see product and testify for yourself.